morning. Yes, I am on the road early, but I'm an hour late. Yeah, must be my luck. Now my camera's wigging out. Anyway, I'm on the way. It's, hope you can still see. Anyway, heading to the east here on Interstate 40, just out of Nashville. Woke up to my front left tire low. Last night, just before I arrived in Nashville, some doofus lost a pallet, one of those big giant 4x4 pallets in the road. Well, I came up to it and I tried to straddle it, but I caught the left corner of it. I almost went over the middle of it, but it's a little wider than the truck is wide here. Oh, this is looking good. Anyway, you can hear me. Anyway, I arrived at where I was staying, and this morning I thought, yeah, I'm going to get up early and head home. It's about 5 hours. Oh, this is looking good. Anyway, I came out to the truck, I loaded all the junk, I started it up, and it said low pressure. Anyway, you've seen flat tires, I don't need to see it. Anyway, let me stop this. The video is going crazy. Time for a new phone. Oh yeah, it's only a week old. Oh, see, wait. Okay, I'm back. If I go to wide, watch what happens. I think the wide camera's dorked up here in this brand new iPhone. Alright, well, I'll go to the middle camera. It does it here too, but not as much. Anyway, what I was saying was had to refix the flat, had to back it out on the street and figure out how to do it. You probably know this if you have a fossil fuel car, especially a truck. They have a lock for the spare tires so people don't steal them. Well, I had to dig around in the truck and I found that. That goes on the end of the jack tool thingamabob. So I lowered the spare, replaced it, and I got on the road about an hour and a half late. It's now 6:30. Been on the road for a half an hour. I'm headed east and all is good so far. As long as I don't need another spare, I should be good. The sun's just coming up out there in the distance. So cross your fingers. Sun's just coming up, but it's all overcast, so it's not real bright yet. Just into Knoxville now. Going by the supercharger here in a little bit and the Lovell Road. And then the new supercharger's up here. Yep, that's the exit for the new supercharger. It's on this coming exit. It's a version 3, I think it's 12 stalls. And it's closer to downtown than the Lovell Road one, which is 150 kilowatts. So here's the off-ramp in a mile. And a supercharger, I think it's the Holiday Inn Express right here. Haven't been there myself, but I know it's just off this exit here to the back. I'm looking for it, I don't see it right off. Yeah, I don't know where it is right off the top of my head. Maybe even this Garden Inn, couldn't tell you. I don't know. Anyway, that's where the new version 3 supercharger is here in Knoxville. This is the last fueling stop here. I was down to 53 miles of range. And it looks like we're about done here, maybe. Bam, 6387, 21.3 gallons. Alrighty, 455 miles of range. And next stop, the house, about 100 miles maybe. Get on the interstate and get through the gorge next. We're on Interstate 40 east of Knoxville, just about ready to enter the gorge. Through the gorge, south on Interstate 26, and I'll be home. 100 and maybe 1 miles or something like that. All right, just proceeding through the gorge here, and we're going to the construction zone here, and this is where they've removed a bridge and replacing it. I'm guessing it was damaged or needed work, and apparently they're supposed to make it so that the animals can...
In half a mile, take exit 7 toward Harmon Den.
So the animals can transition interstate here from one side of the mountain to the next. So they put us off the interstate here, and then we go down like as if we're getting off of a...
Take exit 7, then keep left.
As if we're getting off of an off-ramp, and then we get right back on. So it's okay. Yep.
Keep left.
Here's the construction. Yeah, they're getting to it. All right, well, that was it. Now we get back.
Continue for 39 miles.
Yeah, there's nothing going on in the gorge worth videoing, so I'm driving this thing. If I would be on autopilot in my Tesla, it'd be different, but I got to actually drive this thing, so it sucks. Yes, I am getting close to the house. Thanks for watching this series of fossil fuel ice truck. And I promise I'll be in the Tesla as soon as I can. Driving this thing is a pain in the butt. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next ones, and take care.